So over here, you can see that I actually have some photos right here. As you can see, like this P1, P2 right here, and there's 5 right here. And you can see that they are actually panoramic images right here. Bits of it, and you can go ahead and merge them out together to make a panoramic image. So these are separate images, and what you can actually do using Adobe Bridge is send them out to Photoshop directly as well. So to do that, you simply need to go around over here onto tools, and you can see that Photoshop is an option right here, and you get various options from Photoshop directly around over here. For example, you can see that Photomerge is an option, and if I were to go ahead and choose it right here, then it sends that file to Photoshop directly. So it opens up Photoshop, as you can see right here. And around over here, you can see that Photomerge opens up, and you can go around and choose the type of layout that you want. But to keep it simple, let me just go ahead and keep it to auto, and I'm going to press OK. And now you can see that the the process actually starts right here, and you need to wait for a bit to get it merged. So this is a Photoshop feature, but you can access it directly from Bridge, as you can see right here, to create panoramic images. So you can see that this is what you have right here, just like this, and those 3 images has been merged together to create a panoramic image just like this in Photoshop. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.